Stop scrolling. I want to show you something. This AI tool can build an entire website in minutes. This one edits videos automatically. This one writes code while you watch. This one turns your notes into a podcast. And this one can automate hours of work every single day. It honestly feels like we're living a few years in the future. The scary part? Most people have no idea these tools even exist. In this video, I'm counting down 10 AI tools that could completely change how you work, learn, and make money in 2026. Let's get started. Tool number 1, checked. Let's begin with the obvious one. But trust me, most people still use ChatGPT completely wrong. ChatGPT can write emails, summarize books, create business plans, generate code, explain difficult topics, create study guides, brainstorm ideas, build content calendars. Think of it like having an assistant available 24 hours a day. The real superpower? Prompt engineering. The better your instructions, the better your results. People are using ChatGPT to create online businesses, write ebooks, build apps, prepare for interviews, automate work. If you only learn one AI tool this year, make it ChatGPT. Next up, tool number 2, Claude. Claude has become one of the best AI tools for long-form work. It excels at analyzing documents, writing reports, summarizing research, editing content, brainstorming ideas. Many people even prefer Claude for writing because it feels more natural. Students use it for essays, research papers, study notes. Businesses use it for reports, proposals, documentation. Think of Claude as an AI research assistant. Tool number 3, Perplexity. Imagine Google, but with an AI researcher built inside. That's Perplexity. Instead of giving you 10 blue links, it gives you direct answers with sources. You can ask, best laptops under $1,000, latest AI trends, explain quantum computing, and it provides answers in seconds. Students love it. Researchers love it. Content creators love it. Honestly, Perplexity has changed how many people search the internet. Tool number 4, Canva AI. Canva is no longer just a design tool. Now it can generate presentations, create social media posts, design logos, make videos, create marketing materials. Businesses that used to pay hundreds of dollars for designs can now create professional content themselves. This tool alone has created thousands of side hustle opportunities. Tool number 5, NotebookLM. This tool feels like cheating. You upload PDFs, books, articles, notes, and NotebookLM becomes an expert on your documents. Then you can ask questions about them. Students are using this to study faster. Professionals are using it to understand large reports. Researchers are using it to organize information. This tool can save hours of reading. Tool number 6, Runway. Runway is one of the most powerful AI video tools. You can generate videos, edit videos, remove backgrounds, create cinematic effects. Entire YouTube channels are now being built with tools like this. Many creators are producing videos that would have required an entire production team just a few years ago. That's incredible. Tool number 7, Cursor. This tool is changing software development. Cursor is an AI coding assistant. It can write code, explain code, fix bugs, generate projects. Even beginners can start building software much faster. Professional developers are becoming dramatically more productive. Coding with AI is becoming the new normal. Tool number 8, ElevenLabs. This tool creates incredibly realistic AI voices. You can use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, training content. People are creating entire businesses using AI voice generation. Some of the voices are so realistic that it's hard to tell they're AI. This tool has completely changed content creation. Tool number 9, Make.com. This one is powerful. Make.com lets you automate workflows. Example: someone fills out a form. AI writes an email, creates a document, sends a notification, updates a spreadsheet, all automatically. Businesses love automation because it saves time. Freelancers are charging clients to build these systems. AI automation is becoming a huge industry. Tool number 10, Lovable. Imagine building an app simply by describing it. That's what Lovable does. You can say, build me a task management app, or create a portfolio website, and AI starts building it. The barrier to creating software is becoming lower every year. This is opening doors for entrepreneurs who don't have traditional coding skills. So, here's my challenge for you. Don't try to learn all 10 tools at once. Pick just one. Master it. Then move to the next. Because the future won't belong to the people who ignore AI. It will belong to the people who learn how to work with it. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI content. Share this with someone interested in technology. And comment below, which AI tool surprised you the most? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.